Good morning everyone, my name is Ellie Fraser and today I've got Bossy Boy on my lap, so he wants to be very clingy this morning. I will be doing an acrylic pour with you guys today using the straw for the blowout method and also doing some nice balloon kisses in them. So I'm going to be trying to do like a flower effect, but we'll see how we go. Let's get started. The paint that I'm going to be blending with today is purple. What is this one? This is sort of like a burnt yellow colour. A black, metallic blue, white, and I've gone in and added a few drops of my silicone to each of the colours. So let's get into it. All right, I've got my glovies on. We're going to go in and start pouring the white base down. Hopefully these paints are alright. They were left over from a couple of days ago, so this should be fine. Oh no, they're a bit gloggy. Oh dear. Let's just pull that. Yuckies. Look at that, that's disgusting. Okay. Let's just wipe that off. That's all through there. Dear oh dear. Not a great start. Let's try to just push those gloggy bits off. Okay, I was gonna run some pink through here and like tilt it a bit. Let's give it a try. No harm in trying. Oh, this way. Just dripping it everywhere. Okay, that should be enough. Add some white just so it runs. I really don't know what I'm doing, but look, all fun and games. Just gonna tilt the pink around the canvas a bit. Right, that will do. That's those colours done. I'm gonna take my gloves off now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and put little blobs everywhere and then blow them out. So we'll start over here first. Oh my gosh, I've got the shakes today. Okay, oops. In with this, I call it a burnt yellow. Okay, I'll have to look at the bottle and see what it's actually called. Start blowing these out. Actually, I might go in with the blowtorch first. Try to get rid of some of these air bubbles. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. Now we'll be going in with the straw. This, like the pink, makes it look like hippydelic, whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's go. Actually, I'm going to give my mouth a go of blowing these out and see what happens. Yeah, that's cool. Wow, that is unreal. So cool. Try good old little balloon here. Just blobbing into the middle of each one. Just wiping off the excess of the paint off the balloon. Really going over them just to really get that effect of the balloon kisses. This bit's looking a bit plain, so I've got excess paint here, so I'm going to run over down that corner. That didn't really work, but that's okay. Not what I was expecting. I was more trying to go like flowers, but I don't know. We'll leave it. I was more hoping this shape, but it's sort of gone. We'll leave it, let it dry. So thanks again for watching my videos. Remember to subscribe, it's free. So, and also while you're there, please hit that notification bell and even comment. Love to see and read your comments. It really helps me, even if you got ideas for what I can do or what I'm doing wrong, that'd be great. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.